So, yesterday I was saying why we use this one. What is the use of static members? What is the use of static members, right? You mean, so if you will see, let's say this is your memory. This is one more memory. So let's say this is your class. Let's say class high is there or class college is there. So in this college, let's say I'm writing string college name. String college static. Means first you write static and then you write int college number. So what will happen? And let's say so many classes are there, another class is also there. Let's say class, one more class is there. Let's say class student is there, student A, right? Or class student B. So what happens? This static members, no, it goes into shared memory first. While loading the class, this static memory goes to the shared memory. Shared memory. So in shared memory, what it happens? This member, college name, this will go into shared memory here. College name. One time, at the time of loading the class. So that every class should, it can be accessible by everyone. Everyone can access it. Okay, by the class name. Without even object is not needed for that. Everyone, all class. Let's say another class is there. Let's say class anything like let's say class college A is there, right? So here also let's say college name equal to A. So this data A or college name, this will be shared, and any class, like let's say this class student can access from here. He can access by simply the class name. Here one class name I have given already. I don't know why it's not there. Class hello or class college. I have given this name. I don't know why it's not. So here, so this all will go to shared memory. This all static members will go to the shared memory. This also, let's say this is also a static memory, a static data. It will also go here. Okay. And all the classes like this class can access it. It is accessible by class name. Others class also you write, it can access it. And whenever you will create an object, let's say You are creating the object of college class again, college C equal to new college. Because it is the member of this class, the value, and it will initialize with the default value null or zero, whatever it's there. Let's say null value, it will initialize. And when it will, again, it will load this class, again, this member will get loaded. Anyway, this name is there in the memory, and value will get updated from null to whatever value is there. If it's any value is there, it will get updated, like from null to, let's say, college name ABC, XY. What is this? So at the time of loading the class, all the static members from the class, it gets stored into shared memory. And when you will create an object, that time also this class will get loaded. Whenever you will create an object, this will go all at this member is loaded. Only it will update the value if any updated value is there. Otherwise, the memory is full. It's already shifted into shared memory so that everyone can access. All the class is having accessibility to static members. Are you getting? Is it clear? Now, why we make the member as a static? So we should see which is common data, which can be needed for all the classes, which is mandatory each and every time, frequently it can be used. See, you only tell if college name in a college name will be common to all the students or not. Everyone will have same college name, correct? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, so everyone will have same college name. So we can make that college name as a static, correct? It depends on the requirement, which data you should think, which data we should make it as a static and which we should not make it as a static. So the data which should be common, which is needed for everyone, it is required by all the classes. So those type of data we can make it as a static. Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's why
Sir, yesterday you said um, non-static member, I mean static members can only like static members can call only other static members, right? The last point that you said yesterday.
no, last point was we can access static members using null reference variable also.
Oh, okay.
And after that, last point was there something someone has asked, then I told from static, like inside a static, we should not write a static again. And from a static, we cannot access the instance. So these things we will see today. But the last point is, I told what is the use of a static, why we make member as a static and where it is stored. So the static data stores into shared memory.
Okay.
Static
And
data.
so there is nothing like mm, only static members can call static type.
Nothing like that. I will come to the accessibility. Nothing like that. Only a static members will call. Simply remember, because the statics, see, it's a common memory. Now, for in so many, let's say you have 7 class, and here this shared memory is there. If shared memory, which data will go?
College name.
Static members. In shared memory, which data will go?
Static.
Only
Members.
shared
College
memory,
name.
yeah, shared memory, special memory where static members are getting allocated.
Okay.
And this non-static members will go here. This is general memory, let's say.
Okay.
This is general memory. So these data can go into general memory, this data.
Yeah.
This will get initialized according to data type and all. Here it will go. But all static data, let's say this one is a static, it will go here. So that it can be accessible by everyone, static members. Because by class name only you can access static members, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Uh,
What is your doubt? What is going in your mind? Tell me.
Yesterday you said like only static methods can call static variables.
You know, you didn't get. Where is that static demo? See. See. Now see a little where I have written what for accessibility. How much I have given you note in that what I told. See, someone has asked, can we write this keyword inside the static or not? Can we access non-static
No.
members from a static context? So I told, okay, this all accessibility part I will teach you tomorrow.
Okay.
Now you
Okay.
are stuck
Sorry.
there. No,
Sorry.
it's okay, but don't get interpreted. Mind will move here and there.
Okay.
Hmm. So see here, I will access, see, and I told we should not make class as a static. And today I will tell you like what all we can access, what all we cannot access. Okay. But first you should
Yeah.
understand why we make the data as a static.
Okay. Okay.
So
Sorry,
everyone
sir.
is
I'm not
clear
able.
what?
Go
Yeah, no
ahead.
problem. So everyone clear why we make data as a static? If the data is needed in most of the classes. Such type of members, such type of data can be considered as static. Okay, static members stored inside shared memory. What is shared memory? It is a common place. It is common place. It is a common place and accessible to everyone. Everyone. See, without creating object, all the classes can access this shared data just using class name. Okay. So this is why we make the data as a static. Now, what is null reference variable? Is it clear? This line is clear, everyone? This line is
Yes.
clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now, we'll go. What I was saying? Null reference. What do you mean by null reference variable? What do you mean by null reference variable? Null reference variable. So let's say I am creating an object of employee class. I had created yesterday employee class, employee equal to, or let me write. Simply I'm writing class. It's a class, a college is there. That college static string college name equal to, let's say anything, stat, whatever. Now, int, see, 8:30, 8:32. Jagan had joined by 8:25.
Sorry, I was waiting for a long time. Finally, I got-
Where you? Now only I got the notification.
No, I was waiting from 8:04 AM. So finally, just now, some time back, a couple
I
of
don't
minutes
know,
back.
but the guys who were, might be, but the guys who were waiting, you can see in the chat, 8:06 I have pinged. Their time I have admitted everyone who were waiting. 9 students were waiting.
Okay, but Govindas also shared me links. I was using the same thing, but he also faced the same issue. But I don't know
How
who
I
admit.
told you, if you are facing this type of issue, use private incognito window or clear the cache of the browser. And there you join and tell, I am also waiting. Let's say I told I am in, then that time you should have told I am also waiting. I am not able to join. Now see 8:32, 8:45 they will join. Now who has joined recently? Someone has joined right now. I forgot his name. It will actually disturb. Don't believe. Bihan Agrawal has joined now. Why Bihan? Too much late. Now here total student. Let's here equal to 100. Now just I am creating just in one class I am creating. Now if you create the object here, correct. If you create the object of college class, equal to new college. Right. College C equal to new college. And later you are making C equal to null. See this line, if you will print SOP, system.out.println C, then what it will give? If I'll print system.out.println C, what is C? First tell me what is C, everyone?
Reference.
Reference variable.
Object.
No. This is object. This is object. This is reference variable.
That's a reference. Okay.
Don't get confused. This is reference variable and this is object. New college is an object. And the address of new college is assigned inside this C. So what is the use of reference variable?
To access the members of the
Methods
accessing to
only or
access the
class members?
yeah, class members. Yeah.
Why method? Class variable also it can access. No, methods also you can. That is
Yeah.
one fine. But what is the main goal of reference variable?
To access the methods outside the class.
Why only methods? Variable and method, any class members, right?
Any class members. Yeah.
right? By method. Don't tell this type of a statement in the interview. They will think they have mugged up. They have remembered. Why method? Why we can do? Then they will start digging you. No, we can access class members using reference variable and dot operator. What is the use of one more use is there for reference variable? By seeing only you can say. What is the second use?
It loads the class
Methods are
members into
called.
memory.
The
Sorry?
methods are called.
We
Again,
can
method.
create an object.
Boni, you were saying something.
It loads the class members into memory.
Class address, not name. Just now I only told the answer also. I told what is a reference variable? Reference variable are used to hold the address of
the
Object.
class or object. I told so many times. So you will by a statement only. What is this? Equal means assignment operator. Why we use assignment operator? Means right side, whatever it's there, their value will get assigned into this variable, left side variable. Now the right side is a college object type. So here right to left assignment will happen. What will get assigned into C? Address of this object will get assigned into C. Reference variable always holds the address. Simple variable always holds the value. See, these are the simple variable, primitive variables. This always holds the value, actual value. But reference variable always holds the address. And here I have written C equal to new college. So right to left assignment will happen. The address of new college will assign to the C class variable, reference variable. And how address looks like? See, again, I am telling the same thing. C holds the address of college class or object or object. What is that object? New college. Simple. What is that?
So can you also say it holds the address of the constructor? Does that make sense?
Constructor, no, see, again getting confused. You people, see here, this is object, this is reference variable, and this is constructor. C is a reference variable, new college is an object, and college is, this is just a constructor.
Okay.
If it will hold the address of object only, then constructor and everything will be there in the same memory location, no, same at same address. If C is holding the address of new college, then address of college will also be there at same place, right?
Okay, noted, sir.
And how address looks like? How address looks like? How address looks like? What is the pattern of address? Hey, you people are just asking question, and if I am asking simple last classes questions only, you
At the
people are
rate
not.
junk value.
What at the rate?
Uh, uh, the
No, this is not good
Yeah.
practice.
Class at the rate.
Only big questions they will ask, and now I have started asking. No one is answering. What do you think? If you will not practice, refer everyday notes. Every day you refer the notes. See, from beginning Refer the notes. See here, one by one, reference variable, any class type name which holds the address of an object. See, with the help of assignment operator. This I told each and every meaning of this one, this line. See. We'll go and check this. Each and every line I told you people, but I don't know. Say default value of, what is the default value of reference variable? If you see the programs also, comments also I have given. So please guys, don't miss this. Bus. It means you people are not understanding or you are forgetting each and everything. So where is my notes? This is my notes. Where is my notes? Where I was teaching your concept, static demo here. No.
College.
Okay, your radio button.
Started with reference variable, creating the new object.
Yeah, but where is that note? I was writing somewhere. Just wait. Constructor. Okay. Always fine if it's not. Yeah, this is the one, right? Null reference variable. So what do you mean by null reference variable? First of all, you should understand, you people are not able to answer everyone what is reference variable. How you will understand null reference variable? So reference variable means any variable which is a class type. Class type means used with the class type. See, college is a class or user defined type. What is user defined? Class name is always user defined. So C is a type of college, right? So C is a reference variable. And what is the use of reference variable? It is used to access the class members with the help of dot operator. That is first use. Second use, it always holds the address of that class or object. Because I have used with college type, so it always holds the address of college. Or using assignment operator, it always holds the address of this new college, object of this college. And address will always be class name @ some junk value. Right? These points, if you forget them again and again, I have to teach. Now, what do you mean by null reference variable? Can anyone answer me? What do you mean by null? Reference variable you understood now. Again, I taught. What do you mean by null reference variable? Anyone? Yes, Sasi Saxena. Tell me.
Sir, null means there is no value. It's we have assigned.
No, value is different. So see here. Let's say I am creating the object of this college class, right? So here C is what? What is C?
It's a reference variable.
Reference variable. And what it will do? It will hold the
Address of that object.
Address of the
right.
class.
So let's say this address is class name. What is class name? College @ some 1, 2, 3. Just I am writing. This is the address. So C is a reference variable. It is holding the address. So C is pointing here. this class, right? She is holding the address, and here all the members of the college class is loaded. So at this address, all the members of college class is there. These all members are present inside here, right? Here. Now, C, can you see C equal to how much is there? Something. College @123. So C is a reference variable. It is holding this address. So you can access the member of this class, either college name or college registration number, whatever it's there inside this college name, college registration number, college. These all data you can access using this, because C is knowing the address of this class, college class. So using this address, all the members is accessible now. Either you can access this and all, whatever data you want to access, you can access using C dot, let's say college name. College name you can access, C dot registration number. We can access it. These things I told earlier, because a reference variable can access these members. Now in second line, if I will make C equal to null. Now if you will try to access this C dot college name. So earlier C was holding the address of this class. Now I am making C equal to null. Now C is no more pointing. This C reference variable, it is no more pointing now because it is holding null. There is no address assigned into C. So this is no more pointing. Now address is lost. No more pointing. It lost the address. Tell me, it lost the address of this one. So now you cannot access this college name and registration number. Now you cannot access, because now C is holding the address null. It is no more pointing to this class. It lost the address. Let's say I was having your address. I used to go to your house every day by referring to that address. Suddenly today, and the address was written in the paper. Today I lost that address. It has fallen down from my packet and I lost the address. Now, can I reach to your house? Can I access to your family members?
No.
So till here, it was knowing the address. He was having the address. He was holding the address of this class, college. This was the address. So that's why he was able to access this value. He was able to access this value. But now I made it C equal to null. Earlier C equal to college @123. Now C equal to null means null address is there. No, it is no more pointing. Null means also some value, but it is no more pointing to anyone. So address is lost. Now without address, if I will shout, let's say I am shouting Ashish, 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 Ashish in the air, in the market. Will Ashish will come? Can I access him? No. If I am having his address, I can go reach to his house, I can call him. Without address, simply in air, you keep on shouting. No one, someone will say he's mad. Right? Yes, Binodini. Did you understand?
Yes, I got.
So null reference variable means the reference variable which holds the value null. That is called null reference variable. And it no more pointing to that address. Means it is having null address. So we cannot access the members using null reference variable. Which type of members? Instance member or non-static members. Non-static members will get loaded into memory when? Let's say this is your non-static
loading.
Class is not when you will create an object, right?
Yeah.
So if you will create an object, so you are also correct. When class is loading, loading means when it will load, whenever you create the object of that class, right?
Yeah.
So whenever you will create an object, then this reference variable C will hold the address of new college, correct?
Yes.
So you can access then all instance member will get loaded into memory. All non-static or instance members will get loaded into memory whenever you will create an object. If you are creating an object, means you are using a reference variable. And if you will make that reference variable as a null, then it is not able to access these non-static members. But static members can be accessed using null reference variable or not. Let's say, see here we cannot access this variable, we cannot access. College, let's say college registration number is a non-static variable, instance variable. That cannot be accessed using null reference variable. But can I access college name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because it is a shared memory.
Because already placed this data, it is already placed. College name is already placed inside the shared memory. No problem. C is null. I don't have to do with whether you have address of this class or not. Already it's there in shared memory. Anyone can access it. Common memory location. Here, if you are creating an object, again this static data getting loaded once again it's getting loaded. That's the difference. But even you load or don't load, already is placed in the shared memory. So using null reference variable, we can access the static members, but using null reference variable, we cannot access the non-static members. Are you getting?
Yes.
So this is the line I written yesterday. Here, this is the meaning. Now you tell me this line is line number 20 and line number 31. Did you understand? Sorry, line number 20 and line number 11. Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Others?
Yes, yes, sir. I've got a question.
Yeah.
And in what type of situation will this be? You know, suppose available.
You speak little louder. We are Indians. We will speak
Sorry,
louder.
sir,
We will hear louder.
I
Tell
was
me.
asking, what type of situation will this be available?
What would be the situation for instance variable?
No, for this type of situation where you access the non.
If you are trying to access with null reference variable, then very good question actually. That time you will be getting the error null pointer exception. If you are trying to access the class members, means non-static members using null reference variable, you will be getting the error at the time of execution, null pointer exception error. Null pointer means you are trying to access with the value null, with the address null. So you are trying to point something with null. So that's why null pointer exception error you will get. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But when you will get that error, at runtime you will get. You will not get at compile time. Syntactically, it's correct. We can make the reference as a null, no problem. But when you try to access now, C dot total student, this data you try to access it. If you write like this, there is no problem. You can write like this. But when you will access SOP, system dot out dot println here, then you compile this program, you will not get any error. But when you will execute the program, there you will get null pointer exception error. Why? Null pointer exception error?
There is no address.
Means now this C is no more pointing to this college class. Till here, till this line number 46, C was holding the address of college class, new of college object. But from line number 47, now address became null. Reference variable is holding the address null. Now C is no more pointing to college. So how can he access his college class members? No. I cannot access college class members, especially non-static members. They say total student is a non-static member, but static members we can access. Because before creating an object only, this college name got is placed in the shared memory.
In the memory.
Yeah, so either you make it later null, whatever you want to do, no problem. You can access it. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's write in 5 minutes. We'll write one program and we'll see these situations. You people have time? Today very less people have joined because of Sankranti. In India, there is a festival called Makar Sankranti. I will be teaching, others will be enjoying. So here, let's say I am telling, take any simple class. What class you can take? Let, hmm. So write one class name, or can I do in the simple studies program only?
think, yeah, yesterday's program we can continue, I guess, if others agree.
Studies program. One second, guys. Yes, just so let's say I am writing class null ref demo. Here, write fast public static. If someone can print fast and give me, I can copy and paste. Or if you have some pattern. Otherwise, it will take some time.
Yesterday's one, sir.
Yes, yes. That like some pattern you just give me like here, so that I should not write like yeah.
I just copied yesterday's program. This is what. I just pasted the whatever we had yesterday.
Sorry. Sometimes too much urgency will be there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Sometimes you know some team members are calling. That is that. No, this is class like here. Okay, fine. That's good. Guys, once again, can you guys make it, try to make reference variable as a static here? Just here. Share. Just show the program. Anyone can please share the screen. Hello, can anyone can share your screen? And so, Binodini, you only share this program. Show me.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen.
Oh, I did actually. Sorry, Vinodini. So I don't have the compiler. You can just say because your Eclipse is already set up, so my Eclipse is not
Yeah,
set up.
Binodini, anyone can say,
Uh,
don't hide.
Yeah, today's laptop I don't have an Eclipse setup. So can I?
Eclipse is not required.
Sir, I don't have a
Aiyo.
Java.
How you people are then practicing?
Sir, there is one more laptop.
Oh, others? Others?
Okay, I'll try and share.
Can anyone, Boni?
So I'm trying to share, but it tells me that I need to give security permission. So I have no idea why.
Anyone can share the screen, please share.
Shall I share my screen?
Yeah, please, you are welcome. You all are welcome. Anyone I told, because I told Binodini was the last person who asked the question, so I thought of to share. Please share. You please share and show the program. I'll tell you what to do.
Yeah, sure. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, very nice. Good.
Yes,
You
yes.
just take that program. Yeah, I explain that.
Yeah, sure. So we are creating class with the class name as employee.
So a static, you made it as a age. Name is a non-static variable. Good. Right?
Yes.
Remove this
Yes.
constructor and all. Remove this constructor. Remove this constructor. Employee. Yeah, remove that. Remove.
I'm commenting.
Why you are commenting? Do you
Okay,
need
okay.
to do any? I am here, no? This is a
Yeah.
new program. Delete that. Constructor
Yes, I
means
deleted.
left and right curly braces, both you have to delete.
Yes.
Yeah, please delete. Down also. Select, you can select and delete.
Yeah.
Delete.
This one?
Delete.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have one static method, one you have a non-static method, right?
Yes.
Correct now. This is
Yes,
your
yes.
class employee. Where is your main
Yes.
class?
1 second. Which human I need to access?
No. One class.
Null.
Yeah, but one class should have
Class name.
it. Yeah, meanwhile I will only do.
Uh,
Okay, I
I
am
think-
sharing my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, we can. Yes.
Parallelly, one interview was also going on. That's why sometimes the students know. yesterday. Okay. Here, let's say class. You can take a class, let's say college. Same class. Simply I will write static string college name equal to and here I'm writing SAT. Same thing, whatever I'm writing. And static string college name int anything. You can take number of a student. Number of a student. Let's say void display. Also, one method is there, which is non-static void non-static is there. Static void display. And here just close this. So here see see here, and this is static method. So here static and yeah. Now see, this is one is a static variable, one is a static method. Now here we will create, just create college. Just check this. Now you see C dot. Just write SYSO system dot out dot println.
See.
Now here you try to access this C dot. What is there? Number of a student, right? And college name, correct? Na?
Yes.
So you try to access college name also. And same thing, you try to access this one also. So C dot number of a student. Okay. So just try this. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
System dot out println. Now you try, and here you make it C equal to null. C equal to null. So here, you write after update, sorry, after making C as null reference variable. So here now you print the same statement. Print the same statement. And see here, what is the here null reference variable, correct? And this is a static one. So where is the static concept here? Okay, new folder, static part 1. So here, what is this? College, right? Null reference. This is the one, right? So here, .java. And here static concept. Yes. Now I will not execute this. Just I am till here, till line number 8, I will execute it. Till line number 8. Hey, where is that program? Null reference demo. Okay. Java C null reference demo.java. So some I have removed the semicolon, I have missed out somewhere. Where is that?
Bottom.
So static method so down. I have missed the semicolon. System.out.println. Can you see anywhere I have?
I think it's at line number 28, if I'm not wrong. It's for the error message.
Yeah, correct. Correct only. So we have moved. Now here Java. Can you see we are able to access? Now if you will delete this, means now you make it as a null. Now you make it as a null. Now you make it as a null. Simple. After that, again you try to access. Okay. See, are you getting any error at compile time? Are you getting? No.
No.
And at runtime, you will get this error. See here, and where you are getting error when you are trying to access. See, java.lang null pointer exception error you are getting. And till here, SAT is getting accessed because it is a static members. After making C, using null reference variable, we are able to access college name. But number of students, we are not able to access. There it is throwing error, null pointer exception. Can you see that? See here, number of students. Here error is coming. Till here, no error. Because it is a static members, using null reference variable also we can access. But non-static members we cannot access. Same way with method also. If you try to write this show method, you try to access, you will get an error. Come in, try to access this c.show. Right? This also you will get. Even here also, because it's a This one here also you will get an error. See here. Getting? Is it clear now? Null reference and reference variable.
Clear, sir.
And in yeah. So just copy this program in your this one. I'm putting into chat. Just copy this in front of me only. Copy this.
So can someone please put it on the WhatsApp group? I can't access my chat for some reason.
Okay, fine. I will share it, but after half an hour, I will share it through Google Drive to everyone or WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this notes also nothing was there, just reference variable I told what is this and all. This point I told, right? Okay, guys. Anything else? We'll do more on static instance, don't worry. Hello? You people
Okay,
will
Yes, yeah,
speak?
sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll meet you. I wish you all happy Sankranti. We'll meet tomorrow. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay?
okay.
I wish you the same as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Happy Sankranti to all. Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.